Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Bhagyashree Maths Classes. Today we will know about the metric unit conversions. That means how can we convert different metric units into some given metric units, right? So we will use this table to convert the different metric units into some given metric units. So here in this table, these are the three terms. So that is the means of measurement. It means we can measure anything in terms of length, weight and capacity, right? So length tells us like how long or short a particular thing is, right? कि किसी भी चीज की कितनी लेंथ है, that we can measure, so that is your length. Weight is what? कि किसी भी चीज का कितना weight है, like कितना उसमें किसी भी पर्टिकुलर थिंग का कितना वेट है, दैट वी कैन मेजर. सो दिस इज अ मीन्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट, right? And third is your capacity. Capacity is the volume of something. Like suppose if I have a water bottle and it contains 1 liter of water, so that 1 liter is the capacity of that water bottle, right? So we can measure anything in terms of length, weight and capacity, right? So now we have some standard unit, that is your predetermined for measuring length, weight and capacity. These units are like, to measure length we have meter as the standard unit. M is here the meter. To measure weight we have the standard unit, that is your grams. And to measure the capacity of anything we have the standard unit, that is your liter, right? But it doesn't mean that we can measure length, weight and capacity only in terms of meter, grams and liter. No, we have some more units, or we can say we have some sub units related to length, weight and capacity, right? So what are these units? See, so the first unit according to this table, here the first unit is your kilo, right? Second is hecto, third is deca, fourth your standard unit what you have, then deci, next centi and last is milli. It means कि kilo जो है, that is your the largest unit out of the given unit, right? उसके बाद smaller than kilo is your hecto, right? And smaller than hecto is your deca and so on. It means this is your, when you go from left to right, this is your descending order, or we can say the units are going from larger to smaller units, right? Now see, so how can we make these units? Now see, ये जो units है, that is the common unit for all the three, right? So now what we will do, see, here is kilo. Now what will be the largest unit of kilo in length? So it will be kilometer. How? See, what we will do, see, kilo is represented as K. So we will write K, and what standard unit we have, we will just add into it. Okay, so standard unit of length is what? M, right? So it will be kilometer. Now move on to the hecto. Hecto, we can write hecto as H. So we will write H, and we will add the standard unit of length into hecto. So it will be HN. So it will be hectometer. Then third is deca. We write deca as DA, and then we add meter into it, because what we are doing, we are writing the main units and then adding the standard unit in. Okay. Then third is your, then next is your meter. Next is deci. So we write deci as D. We will simply add M with it. These are the units to measure length, right? So next is C, centi, and then we will write add, it will be centimeter, and next it will be milli. So we will add M with it, that will be millimeter, right? So these are the units to measure length. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Same we will do with weight and capacity. So weight is here K. See, the main unit is same for all. Here it is K. So this K is for all the three: length, weight and capacity. We will simply add their corresponding standard unit. Okay. So now it will be kilogram, it will be hectogram, it will be decagram, it will be gram, then decigram, then centigram, then milligram. Right? And same with capacity. So K is common. L we will add it with kilo. So it will be kiloliter, then hectoliter, then decaliter, then liter, then deciliter, then centiliter, and last is milliliter. Right? So these are the units of to measure length, weight and capacity. Now you can see that this is when we are going from left to right. So it means we are going from larger units to smaller unit. So we can have two types of question. So first is that convert the larger units into smaller unit, and second we can convert the smaller unit into larger units. So suppose if I want to convert kilometer into decameter. So it is a question that convert larger unit into smaller unit, right? And now if we want to convert, suppose milliliter to liter or milliliter to hectoliter. So this is a question related to converting smaller unit into larger unit, right? So this you have to note that whether you are converting the larger unit into smaller unit or smaller unit into larger unit, right? Now see, when you convert larger unit into smaller unit, then you will always multiply with the number of units, right? That you will know when we will solve the questions. And when you convert smaller units into larger units, then you will divide. Okay? So now see, now how we convert the given the units into given units, right? So suppose I want to know that 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter, right? So I want to know that 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter. So see how we will know this. What you will do, first of all we know we are converting larger unit into smaller unit. किलोमीटर बड़ा है, सेंटीमीटर छोटा है. जब भी हमें लार्जर यूनिट को स्मॉलर यूनिट में चेंज करना है, देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ बाय व्हाट नंबर वी विल मल्टीप्लाई? सी, किसको चेंज करना है? 1 किलोमीटर को. सो इट मीन्स 1 मल्टीप्लाई किससे होगा? विद द नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स ऑफ सेंटीमीटर इन किलोमीटर. ठीक है? सो दैट हाउ वी विल नो कि 1 किलोमीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं. सो सिंपली व्हाट वी विल डू, सी यू आर इन किलोमीटर, so you will write 1 here. Okay, it means where you are in kilometer, so consider that number as 1. Now see, you want to go in centimeter, you want to change into centimeter. So okay, it means here. So now consider rest of the number as 0. It means 0 0 0 0 and 0. Right? So it means how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it means how many centimeters in 1 kilometer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 1 lakh. So you can multiply 1 into 1 lakh. It will be same 1 lakh centimeter. It means 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. कुछ नहीं करना. जिसको भी सपोज आपको किलोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है, सो जिस पे आप हो, दैट इज किलोमीटर, उस नंबर को कंसीडर एज 1. जिस नंबर पे जाना है, जिस यूनिट में चेंज करना है, वहां तक के सारे नंबर्स को आपको 0 कंसीडर करना है. ठीक है? सो दैट्स नाउ यू विल नो दैट 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Now why we are doing this? Because इस हर यूनिट्स के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है दैट इज ऑफ 10 यूनिट, राइट? किलोमीटर से हेक्टो में 10 यूनिट का डिफरेंस है, हेक्टो से डेका में 10 यूनिट का डिफरेंस है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट वे by which we can know that how many units in a given units. Okay, so now we can take one more question. Suppose now I'm talking about weight. Now I want to know that 1 hectogram is equal to how many milligrams, right? 1 hectogram में कितने milligrams होते हैं? So simply 1 multiply, as we are changing 1 hectogram, so 1 multiply, suppose यहाँ पे 24 hectogram होता, so I have to multiply with 24, right? So now here 1 hectogram, so 1 multiply, now कि कितने मिलीग्राम होते हैं 1 हेक्टोग्राम में? So we are on hectogram, so consider it as 1, right? You want to go on milligram, so till rest of the number consider as 0. Consider rest of the numbers or rest of the units as 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again here 5 zeros. Okay, so your answer will be 1 lakh milligram. It means 1 hectogram is equal to 1 lakh milligrams. Like, so you can do for any of the units, right? So now here you are converting from larger unit to smaller units. That's why you are multiplying. So now we will do that how to convert smaller unit into larger unit, right? So now suppose I want to know, I want to convert, I'm talking about the capacity here. I want to convert centiliter into decaliter, suppose. ठीक है? I want to convert centiliter to decaliter. Right? So see, centiliter is smaller than decaliter. It means here we have to divide. अब किससे divide करना है? See, so we know simply we want to convert 1 centiliter. So 1 centiliter को convert करना है. So it means we have to divide. We will divide with 1. Okay? अगर 20 हमारा अगर 20 centiliter को करना होता तो we divide with 20. ठीक है? So now यहाँ पे 1 divided by, now the number of decaliter in centiliter, that we will know. So that is your, we are here centiliter, we want to go on decaliter, right? So same, first you will use centiliter, consider a centiliter as 1 and rest of the number till decaliter as 0. So 1, 2, 3, 0, right? So you can divide it, so it will be 0.001 decaliter. Now how it is 0.001? Because these are the, we are dividing with a multiple of 10, so we will simply divide whatever numerator you have. First write that, suppose यहाँ 1 था तो मैंने 1 लिखा पहले. Now count the number of zeros in denominator, 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? So it means decimal के बाद आपकी 3 digits होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? So 1, 2 and 3. एक तो already हो गई है. So it means here you will put 2 zeros. So like this way we can divide. So it will be 0.001, because if we are writing 0 before the decimal, so it does not change the value. So it will be 0.001 decaliter or 0.001 decaliter. Right? I am taking one more question of division. Suppose I want to convert decagram into kilogram. Decagram into kilogram, right? So simply 1 decagram. Now we are converting again smaller unit into larger unit. Decagram is smaller than kilogram, so we will divide. So 1 divided by the number of units. How many number of units we have? You are in decaliter. It means here, and you want to go in, sorry, decagram, and you want to go in kilogram. So consider rest of the number as 0. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be 0.0001. Okay, it is in kilogram. So in this way we can convert the smaller unit into larger units or larger units into smaller units. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you will like this video, and please like and subscribe the channel if you have liked this video. Thank you.